SafeLink Wireless offers two programs to help low-income households, Lifeline and the Affordable Connectivity Program. Lifeline provides discounts on phone service up to $9.25 per month. You can qualify for Lifeline by meeting income guidelines, typically 135% of the federal poverty level, which is about $43,000 per year for a family of four in 2025, or by participating in programs like Medicaid, SNAP, SSI, WIC, or tribal assistance programs. The Affordable Connectivity Program subsidizes internet access up to $30 per month or $75 in high-cost areas. For ACP, the qualification criteria are similar to Lifeline but focus on broadband needs. Dual enrollment in both programs is possible, but requires separate applications. In short, SafeLink offers discounted phone and internet service to low-income families who qualify. Both Lifeline and ACP through SafeLink offer nationwide coverage, with ACP prioritizing underserved rural and urban areas. To apply, you can visit the ACP website or go through SafeLink directly. You'll need to provide proof of income, like a tax return, or program participation, such as an enrollment letter. The online application includes an instant eligibility check via the National Verifier. The FCC's one-touch system introduced in 2024 simplifies pre-qualification for multiple programs. Remember, these programs aim to bridge the digital divide, ensuring access to essential communication services for all. Always check SafeLink's website for the most up-to-date details and application procedures.